Hello and welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered if you could grow your own fresh, potent medicinal herbs right in your kitchen, any time of year? Well, you absolutely can! Today we're diving into the wonderful world of medicinal herb microgreens. They're incredibly easy to grow, packed with nutrients and ready in just a couple of weeks. Let's get our hands dirty and grow these amazing little plants together, step by step. First things first, let's choose our seeds. All herbs are created equal when it comes to microgreens. We want varieties that grow quickly and have great flavor and benefits in their tiny form. Some of my top picks are basil, which is fantastic for its anti-inflammatory properties, cilantro, a great detoxifier, parsley, which is rich in vitamins K, A, and C, dill, excellent for digestion, and fenugreek, known for its ability to help regulate blood sugar. These are all perfect for beginners because they sprout fast and give you a rewarding harvest in no time. For today's project, I'll be planting a tray of basil and one of cilantro. Next up, let's prepare our growing setup. You don't need anything fancy. Simple, shallow trays with drainage holes work perfectly. You can reuse plastic containers from the grocery store, just be sure to poke some holes in the bottom. For our growing medium, I recommend using a light, fluffy seed starting mix or my personal favorite, coconut coir. It holds moisture well without getting waterlogged, which is key to preventing mold. Fill your trays with about 1 inch or 2 of your chosen medium. Don't pack it down too tightly. We want the roots to have plenty of room to breathe. Once filled, give it a good misting with a spray bottle. You want the soil to be damp, like a wrung-out sponge, but not soaking wet. For the fun part, sowing the seeds. Take your chosen seeds and sprinkle them evenly across the entire surface of the soil. Don't be shy here. For microgreens, you want a dense sowing to get a lush, carpet-like growth. A thicker seeding means a bigger harvest. Once you've scattered the seeds, gently press them down into the soil with your hand or a small piece of cardboard. This ensures good seed-to-soil contact, which is crucial for germination. After pressing, give them another light misting of water. With our seeds sown, it's time to think about their environment. For the first few days, you can cover the trays with a lid or another tray to create a blackout period. This encourages the seeds to germinate and stretch upwards, looking for light. After about 3 to 4 days, once you see the tiny sprouts emerging, it's time to give them light. Place your trays on a sunny windowsill where they can get at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. If you don't have a sunny spot, no problem. A simple set of LED grow lights works wonders. Keep the lights on for about 12 to 16 hours a day to promote strong, healthy, and green growth. Maintaining your microgreens is super simple. The main goal is to keep the soil consistently moist, but never soggy. The best way to do this is by misting them once or twice a day. As they grow taller, you can also start bottom watering. Just place the growing tray inside a larger tray without holes, and pour a little water into the outer tray. Soil will soak up the moisture from the bottom, keeping the leaves and stems dry, which further helps prevent mold and fungal issues. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, harvest time. Your microgreens will typically be ready to harvest in about 7 to 14 days, once they are 1 to 3 inches tall and have developed their first set of true leaves. Harvest? Take a sharp pair of scissors or a knife and cut the greens just above the soil line. It's that easy. You'll have a beautiful, vibrant harvest of fresh medicinal herbs. Finally, how do you use these wonderful little greens? The possibilities are endless. Toss them into your salads for a nutrient boost. Blend them into your morning smoothies, or sprinkle them over soups, sandwiches, and avocado toast as a flavorful garnish. You can even steep them in hot water to make a fresh, mild herbal tea.
Freshly harvested microgreens are delicate. How you store them determines how long they stay alive, with flavor and medicinal power. First, rinse your microgreens gently with cool, clean water to remove any soil or seed holes. Lay them on a paper towel or salad spinner and let them air dry completely. Moisture trapped during storage causes spoilage, so dry greens are key. For short-term storage, line a container with a paper towel. Add your dry microgreens and seal it lightly. Store them in the fridge between 34 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. They'll stay fresh for about 5 to 7 days if kept dry and cool. If you prefer eco-friendly storage, try breathable produce bags or glass jars with loose-fitting lids. This lets a small amount of air circulate, preventing excess moisture buildup. For long-term use in teas or tinctures, you can freeze your microgreens. Spread them flat on a tray, freeze for 2 hours, then transfer to a sealed freezer-safe bag. Frozen greens lose their crisp texture, but keep their nutrients and compounds. Another method is drying. Lay them thinly on a dehydrator tray or baking sheet at low heat under 110 degrees Fahrenheit until crisp. Crush and store in airtight jars away from sunlight. These dried microgreens can be added to herbal teas, soups, or smoothies. Whether you refrigerate, freeze, or dry them, each method preserves a part of their natural strength. Handled right, your medicinal microgreens can nourish you long after harvest.